Hey, I'm Joe Hayho. Welcome to the Blind Pig Basement Pub. So I came up with a name. I was looking for a good name for the pub, and Blind Pig is another term they used during the Prohibition era for speakeasies. A lot of times they were set up as supper clubs where you would come in, you would get a meal, and then you would pay extra to see some sort of animal attraction, a blind pig, etc. And then with that you'd get a complimentary drink. These are original liquor prescriptions from late 20s, early 30s. During Prohibition, people still wanted to get their fix, so physicians were able to prescribe medicinal liquor. This mirror was gifted to me from my high school government teacher. It was a train car window that was in a train car on an island in the Mississippi down in southeast Iowa during Prohibition that was used as a speakeasy. So when I had the idea to build this space down here, I knew that regardless of what the space would come to be, I wanted to have kind of a hidden entrance. So the door really was kind of the focal point of how everything else behind the door came together and kind of started to mesh. As a kid, one of the great things to do with friends is build hideouts and forts, and now I'm lucky enough as an adult to have this great space that I can share with my friends.